Can't find my fucking wallet anywhere. Always disappearing. Where's my fucking wallet? I'm a OG boy. Good morning, everybody. Breakfast time. Pretty early. It's about 6 a.m. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. And later today, you guys might want to consider buying what I have being delivered today. So I lose my wallet all the time. Like wallet, keys. I would lose my head if it wasn't fucking attached. No bullshit. So I got online and I found these wallet finders. Supposedly they hook up to your phone and there's an app and everything, and if you lose your wallet, you know, it tells you where it's at. The thing will beep. Does all kinds of cool stuff, you know? So that should be here later today. Well, I got a wallet with a chain on it, so I have less of a chance of losing it, because if I lose my wallet, I go freaking ape shit, and I just can't think. Who the hell can? You know how hard it is to get your IDs, credit cards, and all that stuff back again? It is a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna make some breakfast, drink some coffee, get on the computer, do my thing, and open up a wallet and wallet finder and see how it works, and about all we're doing today on the vlog. So stay tuned. I got some sausage, some cheese, salami, English muffins. Show you how we do this. Absolutely starving this morning. Alright, let's eat. Milk does the body good. Vitamin D for D. What up, my people? As I was saying earlier, I lose my wallet all the time. And anyways, it's kind of old, it's coming apart, it's crappy. So in order to prevent that from happening in the future, I ordered a new chain wallet and a wallet finder. Wallet finder. This is not a tile, but it's like a tile copycat, I guess. NUTfindthing. So I'm gonna open it up and load this wallet full of my old shit, and we're gonna see how this works. Well, here's my new wallet. I like it. It's like it was only $15 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. It's a good wallet for sure. Like, it's, you know, you can tell it's made well. The clasp on this is, you know, heavy duty. It's nice and thick. It's not gonna break. Some of these chain wallets, they come with a real chintzy ass fucking clasp, and it's no good, and it, you know, they're garbage. But no, this is decent. Highly recommend that motherfucker for sure. And all right, next we're gonna open this NUTfindthing, whatever. It got a lot of good reviews on Amazon. I am going to open it and we'll see if the motherfucker even works. I hope it does. I'm sure it does. Everyone said it does. So let's open it. All right, so here's the NUTfindthing. Quick start guide. Got QR codes, probably for the app. Little battery. And here it is. Cool. I'm not sure if I gotta put this battery in here or if this is just the replacement. I don't know. It says download the app, sign up, turn on Bluetooth and location service, pair the device, ring the device, and attach it to something you care about. Okay, let's give it a shot. Well, it looks like it can come off, you know, of this thing here. So you can either, I guess, just slip it in your wallet like that. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach it here, like right there, and then yeah, I think that'll work. Let's do that. Alright. Well, there's a little button right here. I don't know if you gotta probably hold it for 3 seconds. Alright, it beeps. Let's get this app. In order to make this thing work, all you do is you hit the button to open the app up, hit whatever device you have connected, hit call, right here, and it beeps. Hit done to turn it off, and then if you want to see where it's at, like if you lost it and it's far away, hit location history, and it brings you right to exactly where the device is at. And it also has a little location menu, I guess. It'll tell you maybe the last few times you searched for it or something. I'm not sure. If you hit this button on the right, that will bring you to your Google Maps, and then it'll actually give you directions to get to it from where you're at. So that's kind of cool too. Yeah, the thing works, you know. So if you lose shit like I do, your wallet, keys, whatever it is, get one of these little nut things, the nut finder. They're only like 15 bucks if you buy one of them. If you get 4 of them, it's $35. Put it on your backpack, your keys, bicycle, I don't know, whatever you want. And if you're gonna get a chain wallet, get this one. It is good. I mean, for 15 bucks, you know, like I said, clasp is thick. The wallet is stitched very nice. So yeah, now I'm hungry, and I'm gonna go eat something. I'm gonna cook some steaks. Throw some salt and pepper and garlic and onion powder on the steaks. Sear the fuck out of them. Gotta set up fans everywhere. It gets smoky in this bitch. If you're wondering how to sear a fucking steak, let me show you. Told you it was gonna get smoky. I'm a raw animal, and I like my meat raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. That's how the fuck I do it. Now fuck you guys, let's go eat. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Huh.